Welcome to a thrilling demonstration of Tesla's full self-driving FSD system, where the car tackles some of the most challenging and unexpected driving scenarios with finesse. This video dives into the heart of FSD testing, showcasing how the system ensures safety and reliability in a variety of real-world situations. Spoiler alert, Tesla aces it every single time. Scene 1. Suburban showdown, reverse cut in. The video kicks off in a serene suburban neighborhood. A black Tesla navigates a residential street, facing a black SUV reversing out of a driveway. The challenge? Handling a reverse cut-in scenario with visual obstructions. Despite the complexity, Tesla's FSD system flawlessly maneuvers around the reversing SUV and parked vehicles, proving its capability to adapt to unexpected obstacles. Scene 2. Peeking through obstructions. Next, we move to a tree-lined road where Tesla's dashboard display takes center stage. In a peeking, occluded scenario, the FSD system navigates partial obstructions like a pro. It's like watching a magician reveal the unseen, smooth, calculated, and impressive. Scene 3. Left turn cut-in. A new challenge arises as Tesla faces a left turn cut-in scenario. A vehicle abruptly cuts into its lane during a left turn. The FSD system responds with seamless adjustments, maintaining safety and ensuring a smooth ride. Precision driving at its finest. Scene 4. Parallel cut-in masterclass. In a parallel cut-in, occluded test, the Tesla encounters a vehicle simulating an unexpected lane intrusion. The FSD system expertly adjusts its trajectory, maintaining safety while sharing the road. It's teamwork between man and machine, except the machine's doing all the work. Scene 5. Yield for oncoming during overtake. While attempting to overtake, Tesla encounters oncoming traffic. The FSD system assesses the situation and yields gracefully, demonstrating its ability to prioritize safety over urgency. A textbook example of smart decision-making. Scene 6. The stop sign standoff. What happens when someone ignores a stop sign? Tesla's FSD steps up to the plate. In this scenario, a vehicle violates right-of-way at an intersection. Tesla gracefully yields and avoids potential conflict, showing off its ability to prioritize safety over everything else. Scene 7. Door opening during overtake. Imagine overtaking a parked car, only for its door to swing open suddenly. Tesla's FSD reacts instantly, adjusting its path to avoid the obstacle. Smooth moves that keep everyone safe. Scene 8. Turning point, right turn. Harsh braking. Sudden stops during turns can catch anyone off guard, but not Tesla. In a controlled environment with parked cars and nearby buildings, the FSD system handles harsh braking during a right turn with pinpoint accuracy. No drama, just precision. Scene 9. Left turn across path. In a left turn scenario, Tesla must navigate across a busy path with oncoming traffic. The FSD system calculates the perfect moment to proceed, ensuring a safe and smooth turn. Left turns never looked this effortless. Scene 10. Cutout to static cone. Tesla encounters a static cone after another vehicle abruptly cuts out of the way. The FSD system slows down and avoids the cone with ease, proving it can handle even the smallest obstacles. Safety is in the details. Scene 11. The debris dance. Dynamic obstacles make their debut as traffic cones tumble into the path of two Tesla vehicles. The FSD system expertly dodges each cone, handling the chaos like it's been practicing for a dance-off. Flawless moves, Tesla. Scene 12. U-turn cut-in. Occluded. During a U-turn, Tesla encounters a vehicle cutting into its path with limited visibility. The FSD system anticipates the maneuver and adjusts accordingly, delivering a smooth and controlled response. Talk about foresight. Scene 13. High-speed brilliance. On a simulated highway, Tesla faces a high-speed cutout to stationary vehicle test. A sudden obstacle appears, but the FSD system calmly applies the brakes and avoids collision. In another test, sudden braking at high speeds proves no match for Tesla's quick thinking. Safety first, always. Scene 14. High-speed harsh braking. At high speeds, the FSD system is tested with sudden braking scenarios. Tesla responds with impeccable timing and control, ensuring a safe deceleration without compromising stability. Confidence at every speed. Scene 15. Mannequin mayhem. The final challenge, a high-speed crossing with a child-sized mannequin. Tesla's FSD detects the pedestrian and comes to a smooth stop, showcasing its ability to protect even the smallest road users. This isn't just a test, it's a lifesaver. From suburban surprises to high-speed heroics, this video highlights Tesla's FSD system as the future of driving. So, what about you? Have you ever faced a reverse cut-in or dodged a rogue cone? Share your wildest driving stories in the comments. And do you think Tesla's FSD would perform just as well at night? Stay tuned for our nighttime challenge, coming soon.